Hello everyone, welcome back to Property Unboxing. As you know, in our previous video, I have explained the Prestige Finsbury Park project through miniature, and also we have seen the entry exit gate of Hyde and Regent. We got good response for the video and received many calls, as well as we have got few site visits and a few bookings as well. So thanks a lot for showing the good response for that video. Also, few of you called and asked few queries like do we schedule pickup and drop, and also few were having doubts that do we charge any brokerage, and also few were asking about what is KIADB, how many companies are operational in KIADB, or any upcoming companies, like what is the future of this location basically. So we will talk about all those in this video, and also we will see this property is tie up with which banks, because a few of you were asking about that as well, that what is the bank approvals, which bank have approved this project. Please watch this video till end. I am gonna explain you all these points. And regarding the first point, that do we arrange pickup and drop? Yes, we do arrange pickup and drop, and site is open on every day. So any day you can plan, you can just give a call on the given number, you can come down here, I'll be there to assist you. Site will open around 10 a.m. and till 6 to 7 p.m. we are available at site. Second point is regarding do we charge any brokerage? No, we don't charge any brokerage. So these 2 points are clear. Now we will talk about KIADB, that is Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. It's a around 3000 acres of IT hardware park, where around 50 to 60 companies are operational, and also few companies are about to start. This is the actual construction status you are seeing us. This is tower number 1, and this is tower number 2 and 3. This is 3, and over there that is 4, 5 and 6. You can see few towers, painting work is done, and few towers the construction is done, painting work is about to start. This is 3 BHKs, and this is tower number 16, that is 15, tower number 15. Backside you will have tower 13 and 14. So basically, if you see, construction wise, construction is done, painting work and few finish work is yet to be completed. Let me show you which all companies are operational in KIADB. Let's talk about that. So this is the geographical map which you can see over there, the Prestige Finsbury Park. Right above that you can see International Airport. Connectivity wise, it is well connected from all the locations like Hennur, Hebbal, Whitefield, Airport, Yelahanka. Also few landmarks like Delhi Public School, Reva University is close by. This is the distance from location. International Airport 11 kilometers, Yelahanka around 12 kilometers, Manyata Tech Park is around 17 kilometers, and few hospitals nearby. There are a couple of other hospitals which has added up, like for example Sunshine Hospital has added up in Hennur Cross, which is approximately around 9 to 10 kilometers from here. shopping center. New mall has also added up in this list, that is Bhatia Mall, that is around 9 kilometers again. These are few famous schools of North Bangalore which are close to this property. You can see Vidyashilp School, Delhi Public School, Euro Kids. These are few famous schools which are close by. Now the main part is which companies are operational over here. This is Wipro, Aero Space Park, Boeing, Tata Advance. You can pause the video also if you want and take the screenshot of this list. These companies are operational in KIADB. There are few more which are about to come, like Just Dial Limited, Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, IFCI Financial City, SAP Labs, Narayana Eye Foundation Private Limited, Prime Rose Hospitality 5-star hotel is gonna come up. So this is about KIADB. So this doubt is also cleared, and if you have any other questions you can just call on the given number or WhatsApp me anytime. I'll try to clarify it. We'll also see which banks have approved this property. So starting with SBI. SBI has approved this property. ICICI, Godrej Housing Finance, Canara Bank, Axis Bank, L&T Finance, HDFC, Bank of Baroda. Other banks have also approved this property. These are the certificates, approval certificates, which is available at site in the marketing office. You can see that 2,950 plus happy customers. So these many apartments have already got sold in this property. Do contact on the given number for latest availability, latest pricing and latest offer which is going on. We will also go inside and check out a actual tower. So I'll show you tower number 1, in which lobby area is ready and a few other developments are done. Also we'll check out the gap between tower number 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Please subscribe the channel. Let's go and watch the actual tower. Now let's go inside and we will see what is the construction status. Also we'll go into tower number 1 and look into the lobby area, and also got an update that lifts are being fitted over there, so we'll also check out that, as well as I'll show you the corridor and staircase and all these things. Also I'll try to show you few bare shell house where there is no interior has been done, so you'll get an idea how the final product is gonna look like, what all things you will get once you get the handover. Let's go inside. Please also subscribe this channel so that you never miss out any new video that I post here. Thank you. Let's go inside. So this one on the right hand side is tower number 1 where 2 BHKs are there, and this tower is tower number 2 where 1 BHKs were there. So there is a ample amount of gap between the gate, entry exit gate, and the tower. You can see here ample amount of gap over here. This is the exit ramp. You can see this one. This is gonna be the lobby area. So every tower is gonna have the same kind of setup where you have a reception. Intercom services will be provided from here. These are the lifts that are getting ready. These are passenger lift number 1 and lift number 2. Also there is service lift which I'll show you. So this is gonna be the staircases. Let's go upside and let me show you. This is the gap between tower number 1 and 3. So half basketball court, children play area and other amenities are gonna come up over here. So the right after you exit from this staircase, you can see there is a door that is given here for safety. Here again you can see the lift number 1 and lift number 2. This is the corridor. So few flats like 977, 971, 955 comes with this foyer area which you see in front of the door, and this is 1017. This is 977 square feet. This is a bare shell house where interiors are not been done, so you get an idea how much space you are gonna get and what exactly fittings you are gonna get in your house. This is the granite slab. So this space is for refrigerator. Point is given over here, and this space is given for washing machine. So chimney outlet is given over there. This is going to be the toilet, and this is the fittings. You get pre-installed geyser as well, and for the top 2 floors you get solar connection. This is how the setup is. I will also show you an open or unfurnished flat of 999 square feet. This comes with 2 balconies. You can see ample amount of sunlight as the balcony and windows is towards south in this, and the door will be north facing. This flat is available as of now for sale. This is on the first floor. North facing door, south facing balconies and windows. This is the kitchen. You get 2 side cabinet, one for the sink. All fittings will be provided, and here you'll get utility space where you can put your washing machine. This is the master bedroom. This is the balcony. View from the balcony. This is the master bedroom toilet. is a guest toilet or common toilet. Do call me on the given number for availability. As of now, this unit is available. This is the second bedroom or kids bedroom, you can say. This is gonna be the view from the bedroom. This is the lift, so what we have seen. This is the 971 square feet model apartment. This is gonna be the service lift over here, and the right moment after you come out from the service lift, you'll have a door again over here, and the staircase is gonna be just back side of this one. Another door is provided. This is gonna be the corridor. 977 square feet model apartment. Already you have seen the video of this one. This is 971 square feet without interior home. Let's check out this one. That is tower number 4, 5 and 6. You can see ample amount of space is there in between the towers, and currently we are taking this video from tower number 1. For today, that's it. Let's meet up in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, guys, and for any doubts or if you want to visit the site, call me on the given number. We also arrange pickup and drop assistance. Thank you.